The world's most extreme alarm clock.
Hope 100% this is gonna explode very bad.
$1 Ronaldo alarm clock. It takes 3 suis to turn it off. Sue! That was a workout.
Oh my god, guys. That was a workout, guys. Like, bro, shut the frick up, bro.
$10 flying alarm clock.
Oh my god, what was that reaction?
You have to put it back for the alarm to stop.
Oh my gosh!
$100 race car alarm clock.
You low-key deserved it. Please like and subscribe and join that Discord right now.